Ever notice your electric bill creeping up? Or a weird smell coming from your AC? Most appliance problems don't start with a loud bang. They start quietly, with myths that sound helpful, but are actually destroying your AC and fridge from the inside. Today, we're busting those myths to save you money and headaches. Let us start with myth number 1. My AC doesn't need cleaning every 3 months. This is a big one. You might think a little dust is harmless, but it's a silent killer for your air conditioner. When dust clogs the coils and filters, your AC has to work much harder to pull in air. This extra effort draws more electricity, sometimes increasing your power consumption by up to 40%. Think of it like trying to breathe with a pillow over your face. Your AC is suffocating, airflow gets weak, and the unit starts to overheat. Regular cleaning isn't just about hygiene. It's about efficiency and preventing a total breakdown. Next up, myth number 2. My fridge just runs. It doesn't need servicing. This is a costly assumption. Your refrigerator has a compressor, which is its heart. And just like your AC, it has condenser coils, usually at the back or bottom. When these coils get covered in dust, pet hair, and grime, the compressor can't release heat properly. It starts to overheat, working non-stop just to keep things cool. This constant strain can shorten your compressor's life by years. A quick clean of those coils once or twice a year can literally add years to your fridge's lifespan and keep your electricity bill in check. Let's tackle myth number 3. Ice on the evaporator means the fridge is cooling really well. This couldn't be more wrong. Seeing ice buildup inside your freezer or fridge compartment is actually a major red flag. Ice acts like an insulator, blocking the cold air from circulating properly. So even though there's ice, your food isn't getting the consistent cold it needs. This usually points to a bigger problem, like a faulty defrost system, a refrigerant gas leak, or a broken fan. It's a sign that your fridge is struggling, not thriving. Ignoring it leads to spoiled food and a much more expensive repair down the line. Now for a classic, myth number 4. A little water leaking from the AC is normal. Absolutely not. Any water leak, big or small, is a sign of a problem. Most of the time, it means your AC's drainage line is clogged with sludge and algae. The water has nowhere to go, so it overflows. If you let it go, that standing water becomes a breeding ground for mold and mildew, which then gets blown into your room. Plus, the constant moisture can cause internal parts, like the drain pan, to rust out completely. What starts as a simple clog can turn into a triple cost repair and a serious health hazard. This brings us to myth number 5. I can just spray my AC with a pressure washer and it's clean. While a water spray might blast away surface dust, it doesn't solve the real problem. The gunk inside your AC isn't just dust. It's a sticky, greasy mix of biofilm, sludge, and oil-based dirt that water alone can't remove. We've seen units that looked clean on the outside, but had a thick layer of bacteria-filled slime coating the internal blower wheel. That's what causes that musty, sick-building smell. A proper cleaning requires a chemical solution that breaks down this grime, sanitizing the unit from the inside out. And what about those weird sounds? Myth number 6 says, any fan or motor sound is just normal operational noise. Nope. Your appliances should run relatively quietly. Any new grinding, rattling, or squealing noise is a warning sign. It could be dry bearings in a motor, a bent fan blade that's off balance, or even a problem with the refrigerant flow. These sounds are your appliance's way of crying for help. Ignoring them is like ignoring the check engine light in your car. A small issue can quickly cascade into a catastrophic failure, like a completely seized motor. Finally, the most dangerous myth of all, myth number 7. As long as my fridge feels cold, it's working fine. Cooling is often the last symptom to fail. Long before you notice your milk getting warm, your fridge might already be in trouble. It could be running inefficiently, with the compressor working overtime and doubling your energy consumption just to maintain the temperature. A client of ours had a fridge that felt cold, but their electric bill was through the roof. The compressor was running 24/7. After a deep clean of the condenser coils, the system stabilized and their energy usage dropped dramatically. The cold feel was masking a serious power-draining problem. Understanding these truths protects you from overpaying on electricity, facing unexpected breakdowns, and dealing with mold. It's not just about cleaning. It's about preserving the performance and lifespan of the appliances you rely on every day. If you notice weak airflow, icing, strange noises, leaks, or a sudden spike in your bill, don't wait. The damage has already begun. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more myth-busting home tips. Stay cool and stay smart.